Okay, today we're looking at the F minor scale. The minor scale formula is whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. And if you remember from prior videos, the difference between the major scale and the minor scale is that the minor scale has a flatted third, flat six, and a flat seven. And just as a reminder, that doesn't mean that those notes have to be flat notes. It just means that they have been flatted, meaning they've been moved down a half step. So whole step up to G, half step to A flat, whole step to B flat, whole step to C, half step to D flat, whole step to E flat, and then a whole step up to F gives us the F minor scale. We could also start here and plot out the same scale. And then we could also plot it out here if we wanted to. That's just going to be the same frets as the sixth string. You could also start that scale here and plot that out. I don't have enough frets on this diagram here to do that, but you could start it there. You could also start it right here on this F, and you could start it on this string as well right here and plot that out. You could also plot it going backwards if you really wanted to get crazy about this and go backwards down and figure out where all the notes are on that string, and then up this way as well. So this is starting to look a little bit weird, but you can always plot this out in more than one string and figure out on every string where that scale lies. Now let's back this up a little bit and take a look. So here, let's do this. Let's get rid of all these notes. We'll start over, and we're going to plot out that scale again. And then the relative major of the scale is A flat. So A flat's going to have all the same notes, but it's just going to center around the tonal center of A flat instead of F. But if we wanted to make this a major scale, we could just take the third and move it up one, take the sixth and move it up one, and then take the seventh and move it up one, and there we would have the F major scale. One flat, that's F major.